I'm Jamie K. White, bringing you the sights and sounds of the 2012 Homecoming Parade.
Homecoming to me is just such an awesome time to show your spirit and pride for your school. It's just so much fun.
The
Homecoming Parade is basically to display what the Tallahassee community has to offer. We have different RSOs, different Greek life organizations, as well as different Tallahassee companies here to show off and celebrate this time with us.
Well, someone helped me explain that it's a Seminole thing to me, and it was, the feeling you get when you see everyone in the stadium doing the chop. You're in the student section, everyone's going crazy, and I really understood it after that, and it was gung-ho.
Until next year, I'm Jamie K. White.